Welcome to the Chocolate Academy Online. The following recipe is both simple and delicious. It features flavors of hazelnut praline and a touch of aged rum. It's very straightforward and quick to make. Don't forget to follow the recipe closely. Let's go and make it. For this recipe, we will need 180 grams of Callebaut Gianduja that will be used into the dough, 8 grams of Callebaut cocoa powder, 190 grams of soft butter around 24 degrees Celsius, 100 grams of grapeseed oil, 105 grams of sugar, 100 grams of invert sugar, 275 grams of eggs, 110 grams of hazelnut powder, 40 grams of aged rum, 220 grams of flour, 6 grams of baking powder, and finally 220 grams of Callebaut Gianduja. These will be chopped into small cubes and dusted with flour. Neutral glaze. Hazelnuts. You will also need some soft butter and flour. For this cake you will need mix the soft butter and slowly add the sugars in a food processor. Add the oil until well incorporated. Add the melted Gianduja. Slowly and progressively incorporate the eggs until well combined. Add the hazelnut powder, the rum, and mix again. Sieve the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder onto a parchment paper. Add the ingredients to the previous mix and mix again. In a mixing bowl, mix the flour and the Gianduja cubes and sift them. Add the ingredients to the previous mix and mix again. Before filling the molds, brush them with soft butter using a pastry brush. Sift some flour on top until the butter is completely covered with the flour. Tap the excess flour out. Then, pour the mixture onto the molds. Using a scale, check that all the molds contain the same quantity. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Let the cakes cool for 5 minutes before unmolding onto a wire rack. With a pastry brush, coat the cake with neutral glaze. It will help fixing the decorations. Finally, add the hazelnuts. As I said, a very simple and delicious recipe that you can make for almost any occasion. Please share your recipes and creations by using the following hashtag. Until next time.